Alright, welcome to my first cooking show. Here we go. Let's enter into the Love Shack where we're going to be cooking up a nice little stir fry with a bell pepper. And here we're just slicing up some bell peppers and crushing up and slicing up some garlic here. Alright. Alright, next what we're going to need, turn on the gas, fire up the stir fry little stove. Get to work. Alright, now here what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add in a little oil. This is coconut oil here that I'm using. Alright, but you use any kind of oil you like. Alright, so heating up the oil here. Next we're gonna throw in the garlic with the oil. Nice little medium-high heat. Just give it a little quick stir. Next here, I added in some already marinated pork belly meat, but you can use any kind of meat you like, chicken, beef, anything you like. Alright. Now this pork belly here is marinated with some oyster sauce, a little bit of seasoning sauce, some crushed black pepper, and you just keep stirring that there. Nice little medium-high heat. And over time, what we're going to want to do is add in a little bit of water mixed in with a little bit of cornstarch, or any kind of starch you got. Alright, there we go. I just added that in. Throw it in there. And what that's going to do is that's going to thicken up the fat that's going to render out of that pork. And it's going to create like a nice little sauce. There, I added in a little bit more. And over time it's going to thicken up. And when this stir fry is ready, it's going to create like a nice little curry you could put on top of the rice. Here I'm just adding in a little more of that seasoning sauce. Give it a little flavor. Give it a little stir. Oh man, you see that? Looks good enough to eat already. See that nice little garlic there. Now here I'm just adding in a little bit of water, keep a little moisture going. Make sure the meat's all cooked thoroughly before we add in the veggies. Alright, man, that looks good. Here, you just want to throw in the veggies, give it a nice quick stir, make sure the veggies is heated up, and it's ready to go. Now I make sure you keep a little moisture in your stir fry. Oh man, see that sauce on the bottom there? Ooh, that's gonna go good with the rice. Oh man, you smell that? Now here I added in the bell peppers from the garden. Give it a nice stir, just make sure it's all nice and hot. It's ready to go. That's it. Give it a little taste, see if it needs any sugar, any salt, any more seasoning. And after that, just plate it up and eat it.
It tastes like shit, huh?
Oh man, it doesn't.